Hi guys, this is Eshad back again with another video. This time I have in my hand the Huawei P10 Plus. This is Huawei's smartphone for 2017. It is the bigger variant of the P10 and it definitely looks good because what I have in my hand is the green color variant, guys. I don't know if it makes you green with envy, but it's definitely a good looking smartphone and it comes in 8 different color options. Let me just talk a little bit about the specs of the phone. It comes with a big 5.5-inch QHD display. That means that you get a pixel density of around 534 ppi, and you get Corning Gorilla Glass also protection on top of that as well. Of course, it runs Android 7.0, which is great, and it comes with Emotion UI 5.1, Huawei's Emotion UI 5.1 on top of this. Also, you need to know that the phone comes in 2 variants, one with 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM, and the other with 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM. It's got dual cameras on the back, just like the Leica cameras that we've seen on the P9, but this time it comes with a 20 megapixel primary sensor and a 12 megapixel secondary sensor. Also, you do get 4K recording on this, and on the front you get an 8 megapixel sensor as well. So that's as for the specs are concerned. You also do get a host of connectivity options, and the fact that you get 24-bit audio as well on the P10. Let's take a look at the software itself. The software's got this app drawer now, which looks very interesting. Also, it runs Android 7.0, which is great. Let's jump into the hardware. There is the power button and the volume rocker on the right. At the bottom, the phone is tethered right now, but you get a USB Type-C port, and you get a single firing speaker. And you do get the 3.5mm jack as well. It looks very different compared to the P9. The P9 was a slight blocky design. The P10 Plus is curved and nice, and it's got this almost borderless sort of display, which I quite like in all honesty. Software-wise, it's interesting, of course. Also, you do get the fingerprint scanner, which is on the front now instead of the rear, which was the case with the P9. It's a different phone altogether, but it looks a lot like the iPhone 7. There's no mistaking that. This could be considered the iPhone 7 Plus compared to the P10, which could be the equivalent to the iPhone 7. But it's definitely a good-looking phone, no doubt about that. And we don't have a launch date yet as of now for India, but you can expect this to come soon because the P9 also was launched in India. The other thing that I want to show is that let's just jump right into the cameras and figure out how they sort of perform. You get this really neat camera app. Let me just pull this up so you can jump into the Pro mode once you do that. Also, you of course have this nice neat bokeh effect where I'm shooting my colleague Kirki right now, and you can see that it's created a nice bokeh effect on the back. Of course, you get a 8 megapixel wide camera on the rear as well. That's it from my end, guys. This is the P10 Plus. It's an interesting smartphone. We quite like it, and wait for our review of the phone. Thank you so much. Until next time, this is Eshad signing off. Bye-bye.